When the Galactic Medical Academy first welcomed humans into its halls, the faculty didn't know what to make of them. They were fragile-looking, soft skin, no armor plating, and organs that seemed chaotic. The alien doctors whispered among themselves, calling human biology a cosmic joke. One alien in particular, Dr. Tyrell, the chief xenobiologist from the Andarian Collective, made no effort to hide his amusement. He had studied hundreds of species across the stars, but humans, in his words, were a collection of mistakes held together by caffeine and bad decisions. That was, of course, before he ran the tests. The examination started as part of a cross-species resilience study. The idea was simple. Expose each species' cells to controlled environmental stress, radiation, toxins, temperature shifts, and record how long they lasted before breaking down. The first subjects, the crystalline voral, shattered instantly at temperature changes. The amphibious Droth dissolved under high oxygen exposure. Even the mighty Varnak warriors, known for their regenerative abilities, failed the radiation test in under 3 minutes. Then it was the humans' turn. Cadet Maya Hernandez volunteered, standing calm under the sterilized lights as the alien doctors watched from behind a reinforced glass wall. The machine hummed to life, simulating harsh planetary conditions. The monitors spiked. At first, Dr. Tyrell smirked. "Observe, colleagues," he said. "This will be brief." But seconds became minutes, then 10, then 30. The humans' cells weren't dying. They were adapting. Her DNA strands twisted and reformed in real time, creating new proteins to resist the radiation. Her blood cells increased oxygen efficiency. Even as her vitals rose and fell, the human body fought back. By the time the test ended, Maya had not only survived conditions that would vaporize most species, her recovery rate was faster than any organism ever recorded. The lab was silent. Dr. Tyrell replayed the footage over and over. This can't be correct," he muttered. "No biological system adapts this fast, not without genetic intervention." He ordered new samples, more tests. Every result came back the same. Humans could endure extremes that defied biological logic. When the final report was released, it included a phrase no alien scientist had ever dared to write. Humans exhibit an innate resistance to environmental collapse. Their biology is chaotic, yes, but it is the chaos itself that grants them power. As word spread through the Academy, other alien scholars began taking notice. One research group discovered that human immune systems could memorize diseases after a single exposure. Another found that human pain thresholds adjusted depending on necessity, meaning they could decide to ignore pain. But what truly unsettled the galaxy was the discovery of what humans called adrenaline, a chemical trigger that allowed them to exceed their own limits in moments of crisis. To most species, pushing the body that far would mean death. To humans, it was just another Tuesday. Dr. Tyrell became obsessed. He invited human volunteers to his lab hoping to understand the secret of their resilience. But when he finally asked Cadet Hernandez how humanity had evolved this way, her answer wasn't what he expected. She smiled and said, "We didn't evolve to survive our world, Doctor. We evolved because it tried to kill us." Earth, as the aliens learned, was one of the most hostile habitable worlds in the known galaxy. A place filled with predators, plagues, storms, and disasters. Yet humanity not only endured, it thrived. Dr. Tyrell no longer laughed. He rewrote his research notes and began every lecture with the same warning to his students. If you ever encounter a human in the field, do not underestimate them. Their biology is madness, but it's a madness that wins. From that day, the Galactic Medical Academy no longer viewed humans as curiosities. They were living proof that chaos could breed strength, and fragility could hide ferocity. Because in the end, the most terrifying thing about humans wasn't their weapons or their technology. It was their biology.